Hello everyone, my name is Yuan Pengqian. Today I will talk about how to understand the parameters of an automobile engine. Now the automobile is very common to many people will buy one. However, most of you will be confused about the engine types when they are choosing the car. Next, I will introduce the basic knowledge of the engine for you guys. Firstly, I will talk about the displacement. In general, the displacement is the proportion to the power, fuel consumption, and carbon emission, but it's not absolute. For example, the new 1.8-liter engine will be more powerful than the older 2.0-liter engine because the technology develops so fast now. Depending on the air inlet weight, there are two main types for engine. One is NA, normally aspirated. NA is used the negative pressure in the cylinders to absorb the air to let the engine work. Its advantage is the output of power is very smooth. The second one is charged engine. Turbocharged and supercharged are the two main charge ways. Turbocharged actually it's an air charger. It uses waste gas to drive the turbo. Then the turbo will make the impeller to work, and the impeller compresses the air into the cylinders to drive the engine to work. Turbocharged is very efficient. However, the car power output will be delayed when the turbo begins to impulse. Supercharged is connect the belt with the belt pulley of the engine. When the engine begins to rotate, it will drive the blade in the supercharger to make the air into the intake manifold. Its advantage is working all the time. When the engine rotates at a slow speed, the supercharger will bring the strong power and no delay. However, when the engine rotates at high speed, the power loss is a problem because of the friction of the belt. Now the charged engine is much more popular than the NA because they are much more efficient, small displacement, larger power. Okay, next I will introduce the arrangement of the cylinders. The common arrangements are LAN engine, we also call it L-type, V-type engine, W-type engine, box engine, it's H-type engine. The L6 engine of BMW is very famous. Its performance is approved by people. The V-type engine is used by Audi, Benz, and so on. Its mainstream engine W12 is a high-end product. It's much smaller and lighter than the V12. It's used in Audi A8 W12, Volkswagen V10 6.6. There are only two factories use a box engine. One is Porsche, the other one is Subaru. Actually, all the four type engines are very good. The factories always improve their all products, so you can choose any one, depending on which brand you like. The number of cylinders is also very important for the car. The number can be 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 10, 12, 16, and 3, 4, 6 is the most common. In general, the more cylinders means the car is more superior. So since the number of cylinders corresponds to the displacement, so it's also a proportion to the power, fuel consumption, and the carbon emission. One point I want to remember: some more cylinders can make less vibration. And I want to talk about the power and the max torque. To put it simply, higher power, the maximum speed is higher. The larger maximum torque, the acceleration is better. Of course, it's also relation to the weight of your car. Okay, after listening my talk, do you know how to choose the best fit car for yourself? Okay, thanks.